Hello beauties, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be reviewing this product from Soap and Glory, and it's lip contouring crayon, and that's how the packaging looks like. And you can see it's a pretty packaging, and at the back you can see all these steps. So this thing retailed around $10. It would depend where you are picking it up. I picked it up from Target, and I think Soap and Glory products are available at Ulta too, and you get very good discounts there. So you can plan to pick it up from there instead of Target. So that's how this looks like. And at the back you can see all these steps. First you have to line your lips with the liner, then you have to fill them in like so, and then you have to apply the actual lipstick. So I'll show you what the actual product looks like. So guys, here is what product looks like up close, and you can see there are two sides, matte side and shine side. We'll be using matte side first, and it's a liner. So you can see me lining my lips with the matte side, and it's quite precise. So I didn't had any problem using it. Now I'll be using shine side and using it as a lipstick. And that's how it looks like when applied. So guys, you saw the application process, and I really love the lip product in here. I love the lip liner, I love the lipstick. The only gripe I have is the packaging or the format of the product. It's in a wooden stick, which I hate. Like, I hate to sharpen my product. I think it wastes a lot of product that way. Please don't take me wrong, the products are beautiful. Lip liner is very creamy, it just glides on, and the lipstick is also good, and you can see how beautiful it looks on my lips, and it gives you sort of ombre effect, which I'm loving right now, and it gives you precision, and your lip does look poutier. So I really love the product. It's just that I don't like how it is packaged. I don't like the wooden thing. If you want my opinion, I love this product. The only thing which like keeps me away from this product would be the wooden packaging and need to sharpen it every time. So that's that. Those were my opinions, and this thing retails for $10, which is like pricier for the drugstore thing. I got a lip kit from Lottie London as well earlier. I have reviewed it. I will put the link to that video in my description box. I think that was better than this because that had a lip liner which was creamy, and I think it was retractable, and then it had a liquid lipstick in it. So I like having a normal lipstick here, but I don't like that it's in a wooden tube. So that's the only thing which I hate about this product, and I don't think I'll be buying more of these. Although I like this color, and this color is No Candy 2. So here is the color, and you can see how you have two colors, so it is like creating ombre effect. I'll swatch both the liner and the lipstick for you. So guys, here are both the products. You can see there is a slight difference in the color, and I think this is what contributes to ombre effect. And here is liner swatched, and it's really creamy and it glides on very well. And here is the lipstick. It's shiny and it's very creamy as well, and it's glide on very easily. So guys, if you ask me if I'm gonna get more of these, the answer would be no, because I love the product but I hate the packaging it comes in. I would have loved if it has come in a retractable kind of a lip liner and a normal lipstick or a liquid lipstick. I would have appreciated that, but this wooden thing, I'm not kind of liking it. So I'll stay away from it, but I have it now. I'll keep on using it. I love the color, I love the formula and everything. So that was all for this video guys. I'll catch up later, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and support. So I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.